Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Delonghi Magnifica S. This machine was brought in because it wasn't producing very much water from the brew spout. What we had found is the mechano valve had failed, and because that had failed, it put extra pressure on the pump, also causing the pump to fail. And as well, the power cord in the back was kind of shredded and exposing bare wire. Excuse me. And so we had to replace that as well as a safety precaution. All right, well, here it is functioning once again. We'll test it. Looking great. All right, try the hot water. Looking good. Now some steam. All right. All right, looking good. There it is, Magnifica S functioning again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.